Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Exercise 3B, first sum. A man buys 75 rupee 100 share, paying 9% dividend. He buys shares at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. At what price did he buy the shares? Nominal value of one share, rupees 100. So nominal value of 75 share is rupees 7,500. Dividend percent, 9%. Dividend is equals to 9% of nominal value. That is equals to 9 upon 100 into 7,500 equal to rupees 675. Let market price of one share is equals to X. Therefore, market price for 75 shares, 75X. Profit percent, 12%. Therefore, 12% of 75X is equal to 675. 12% means 12 upon 100 into 75x equals to 675. 9x equal to 675. X is equals to 675 upon 9. That is equals to rupees 75. Sum number 2. By purchasing rupees 25 gas shares for 40 rupees each, a man gets 4% profit on his investment. What rate percent is the company paying? What is his dividend if he buys 60 shares? Nominal value of one share, rupees 25. Market value of one share, 40. Profit percent, 4%. Then profit on one share, that is equals to 4% of 40. 4 upon 100 into 40. That is equals to 1.6. Dividend percent is equals to 1.6 upon 25 into 100. That is equals to 6.4%. Numbers of share purchased, 60. Therefore, dividend on 60 shares is 60 into 1.6. That is equals to rupees 96. Sum number 3. 100 rupee share of a company are available in the market at a premium of rupee 20. Find the rate of dividend given by the company when a man returns on his investment is 15%. Nominal value of one share, 100 rupees. So that is 100 rupees. Premium, 20 rupees. Therefore, market price of one share is 100 plus 20, 120 rupees. Profit percentage, 15%. 15%. So profit on one share is 15%. Therefore, profit will be 15 upon 100 into 120. That is 18%. Dividend percent will be dividend. That is 18 upon nominal value into 100. So 18 upon 100 into 100 equal to 18%. Therefore, dividend percent equals to 18%. Sum number 4. Rupee 50 shares of a company are quoted at a discount of 10%. Find the rate of the dividend given by the company. The return on the investment on these shares being 20%. So first, nominal value of the share of one share is 50 rupees 50. Discount of 10% means 10% of 50, that is 5. 50 minus 5, 45. Market value of one share is 45 rupees. Profit percent on investment equals to 20%. 20%. Profit on one share will be 20% of 45. 20 upon 100 into 45, that is equals to rupee 9. Dividend percent will be profit, that is 9 upon nominal value 50 into 100 equal to 18%. Dividend percent equal to 18%. A company declares 8% dividend to the shareholders. If a man receives rupees 2,840 as his dividend, find the nominal value of his share. Okay. Dividend percent 8%. Dividend rupees 2,840. Let nominal value of the share be X. Therefore, 8% of X is 2,840. 8% means 8 upon 100 into X equals to 2,840. X is equals to 2,840 into 25 upon 2. That is equals to rupees 35,500. Nominal value of his share is rupees 35,500. Sum number 6. How much should a man invest in rupees 100 shares selling at rupee 110 to obtain an annual income of rupee 1,680 if the dividend declared is 12%? Nominal value of one share 100 rupees. Market value of one share 110. Let the numbers of share purchase be n. Therefore, nominal value for n share rupee 100 into n 100n. Dividend percent 12%. Dividend is rupees 1,680. So 12% of nominal value. So 12% of 100n is equals to 1,680. 12 upon 100 into 100n equals to 1680. N is equals to 1680 upon 12. That is 140 shares. Number of shares 140. Market value of 140 shares equals to 140 into 110. That is rupees 15,400. Sum number 7. A company declares a dividend of 11.2% to all its shareholders. If its rupees 60 share is available in the market at a premium of 25%, how much should Rakesh invest in buying the shares of this company in order to have an annual income of rupees 1,680? Nominal value of the one share is rupees 60. Premium of 25% means 25% of rupees 60, that is 15 rupees. 60 plus 15 is rupees 75. Market value of one share is rupees 75. Let number of share purchase is equals to n. Nominal value of n shares is rupees 60n. Dividend percent 11.2%. Dividend rupees 1,680. Therefore, 11.2% of nominal value is equals to total dividend. 11.2% of 60n is equals to 1,680. 11.2 upon 100 into 60n equals to 1680. N is equals to 1680 into 100 upon 11.2 into 6 that is equals to rupees, that is equals to 250 shares. Numbers of shares equals to 250. Market value of 250 shares, 250 into 75, that is equals to rupees 18,750.